Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room.
Hi guys, good day everyone. We have here total of 150 pieces of pastil and these are all for pamigay project natin. The 100 pieces is from Ma'am Faye. Ayan, ma'am, maraming salamat po sa pag-donate. And another 50 pieces is from an anonymous person. Din niya daw kasi kaya siya nag-donate. So ayun, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat din po sa pag-donate. These are total of 150 pieces of pastil and tara, samahan niyo ako ipamigay. Let's go! Salamat po.
Ng January.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Salamat. Salamat. Salamat po. Thank you po. Salamat po.
Salamat.
Salamat. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you po. 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 Thank you. Thank you po. Salamat po. Salamat. Thank you po. Thank you po.
God bless you.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Salamat.
Happy New Year din po. Thank you po. Ulam kanin to. Madami yan ha. Thank you po.